Okay, stop what you are doing. What if I told you your towel has a secret built-in life support system, and you've been ignoring it your whole life? No, it's not a fashion statement, it's a towel. So why is it dressed fancier than a hooker on a Friday night? Speaking of dressing fancy, wanna wear your weird? Check out the Weird 5 shop on Redbubble, because facts this freaky deserve to be fashion statements. Link in the bio. Now back to our exposing expose. So what is it? Is it a secret towel barcode? A built-in napkin? Did the towel factory run out of fabric and just YOLO it? Well, turns out, it's called a selvage. Fancy talk for the edge that keeps your towel from unraveling like bad life choices. It's tighter because it's where the weaving starts and stops. Boom, science. And here's the kicker, if your towel didn't have this, it'd fall apart faster than a cheap burrito in a stomach full of regret. So next time you dry off, give that selvage a little salute. And if you love weirdly awesome facts like this, hit that like button and share this with someone who still uses their towel as a blanket. And subscribe, because why not? It's free, unlike my therapy bills after researching towel science. See you next time, towel buddies.